Benedict sa 3. Rebound by number 11. 11 diretso sa cup. Wala rebound by Benedict. The number 2, step back. 3. Missed. Rebound by number 33. Number 23, pass to number 13. 13, drop pass sa ilalim to Dijago. Rebound by number 7.
Agis! Agis!
Number 7 against Benedict sa 3. Drop pass to Jefferson. For Raveling, 7 minutes and 50. 6-2 in favor of Black. Dijago. Pass to number 11. Side pocket. Wala. Rebound by Apostol to number 19 sa 3. No, rebound by number 11 to number 13. Against Benedict. Dijago. Dijago lay in and it's good. 7 minutes and 10. 8-2 in favor of Black. Number 18, Apostol. And it's fouled by Dijago. Sandali lang daw. Hintayin natin makarecover si Ernest.
Aray ko po, umiyak.
First personal foul by Dijago. First team foul. 7 minutes. Step back by number 7 for 3. No. Rebound by number 2, Dijago. Dijago laying against Ablay. Poke back in by Dijago. Rebound by number 7. Number 7 crossover. Number 7 to Jefferson. Jefferson nabalik siya number 7 and is fouled by number 13. Second team foul, first personal by number 13, 2 shot by number 7. Ano bang team niya? Black belt. May white eh. Paja, no basket.
Talaga. Ano kayo?
Loose ball foul, pushing foul, loose foul ref. Foul committed by
Aray, kwentas tsaka ikaw.
patanggal muna mga ano. Okay, akin na lang. Isasanla ako sa pawn shop. Dijago. Alley-oop pass to number 11. What a connection. 10-2. Favor of Black. Paja. Pass to Benedict. To number 19 sa 3. No. Rebound by number 18, Apostol. Number 11. Ano pangalan yung number 11? Ha? Number 33. Basket, Palobo. Benedict to Jefferson. Jump step. Jefferson against number 13. Jefferson pa rin is fouled this time. Who's foul, ref?
Aray ko po.
Number 13. Second personal. 13 foul by White. 2 shot, Jefferson. Foul committed by number 11. First personal, 13 foul by Whitey. Number 33 against Benedict. Ano pangalan ng 33 na? Benedict basket. Game win? Ha? Game win. Action mo, change court ha. Number 13. Tinira sa foul throw. Rebound by Apostol. 5 minutes. Number 19 sa 3. Rebound by number 11. To Dejaico. Dejaico. Basket is good. Chase 5.
Yeah.
Black ka ba, white? Black. Ano eh? Ang gulo eh.
Ito.
Patong mo lang pre.
Ay, patong mo lang. Number 9. 7 doon.
Demata, fakes. Randy, no. Baseball foul.
Double dribble. 14 na lang.
3 seconds. Randy. Lumipad na, pinasa kay Owie. Owie, fakes. Owie, basket is good by Demata. Score is 14-7 in favor of Black. Number 3, screen by 0. Pass to number 2, Sangay. Back to Kuya, number 2. Pass to Demata. Demata na Marecho. Black. Same ball. 17 seconds to shoot. Demata to Randy. Drop step. Pinasa sa ilalim. Out of bounds. 3 minutes and 44. Number 3. Number 2, drop step in. Number 2, counter shot. No. Black ball. Randy. Number 2, Reggie. No. Rebound by White. White. To Ortega. Ortega, number 0, lumipad against Randy. It is good. Gumawa ka daw, Randy. Randy. Against White. So, Villanueva. Second nine is foul committed by naka-t-shirt.
Pangalan na ka-t-shirt.
Ha?
Robino na lang. Robino.
Nico na lang, Nico.
First person.
Nico, first personal. 2 shot, Villanueva. Basket this time by Villanueva. Ortega. Binalik kay number 20 Dumaretso. Randy benefiting from that error. Reggie, bang shot, supply, rebound by Randy. Tapin ni Owi, Randy umikot. Randy lumipad, it is good. Score is 16-10 in favor of Black. Number 26 against Owi. 26 game by Ortega. Loses. Picked up by number 3. 10 seconds to shoot. Ortega. Drop pass to number 3. Loses then. Picked up by Black team. Reggie nadulas. Traveling. Okay lang sir, okay lang? Okay. Pagpag mo lang sir, pagpag mo lang. Ano pangalan? Number 2, foul throw shot, no basket. Foul, same ball, 14-second shot clock. Foul committed by number 4.
Number 4, first personal foul.
His first personal 14 foul by Black. Ortega pass to Nico. Nico, ginagawa ni Owi. Nico pa rin. Number 3, sa Getty, sa 3. Wala. Rebound by Demata.
Magawi!
Demata, no. Kuha. Rebound by Liverpool captain. Kuha. White. Kuha ni Nico. Number 2. Against Randy. Number 2. Runaway by number 2. 1 minute and 15, 16, 10 in favor of Black. Owi loses. 1 minute and 5. Number 26 against Dimata. Dinadouble siya. Number 2 to Nico. To Ortega against Randy. 10 second shot clock. Same ball, 8 to shoot. Pass to number 26. No. Kuha ni Randy. Randy lumipad. Tumama sa paa. White ball. 36. Last 36 seconds. 26. Step through and it's good against Dimata. 18-10. Steal by Nico. 20 seconds. Nico sa foul against Dimata. Reggie all the way to the top. 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. Ortega sa 3. End of the first. Wala nang Paji bar, ubos na. Second quarter.
Pwede ako lumipat dito sa first and second.
Pwede, pa-jump mo. Jefferson sa 3, no. Rebound by 11. Number 11 to number 2 sa 3, sa Gedley. Put back by Dijago. Steal by 11.